What's up? Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a TP6 project for Matematik, specifically Tesselations. So we're going to make a tessellation. But first of all, you might be thinking, what is a tessellation? Well, I do not read textbooks, so we'll leave that to Haziq who read the textbook. Thanks for me. So, apakah maksud tesselasi? Tesselasi ialah pola bagi bentuk berulang yang memenuhi suatu satah tanpa pertindihan atau ruang kosong. Maksudnya, Teselasi. Okay, thank you very much. Yep, you can go now. Okay. So basically, tessellations have a few rules. It must have a pattern that repeats. That means you can just have one shape which doesn't repeat, like this one over here. It must not have any gaps, so this doesn't work. And it cannot have any pertindihan or overlapping. So yeah. So with that knowledge in mind, let's take some polygons, make some tessellations, and finally sleep after finishing this project. So, the things that we're going to need are a piece of paper, a pencil, a ruler, scissors, cardboard, and a bunch of marker pens. First, we're going to take our ruler and draw out the shape with the pencil and then cut it out with the scissors. Then we're going to transfer it onto a piece of cardboard so it's easier to make the tessellation. And then just use a bunch of rotations and reflections to make this cool design. This was inspired by Demon Slayer, my favorite show. Now, although that tessellation is cool, it's not what we're supposed to do. I read the book again and it says an Escher tessellation. So, what is an Escher tessellation? You know how our other tessellations all use polygons and normal shapes like squares and triangles and rhombuses, rhombi? An Escher tessellation uses nature. So basically an artist called MC Escher, instead of using polygons, he used natural stuff like leaves or birds to create tessellations. Alright, now let me get back to my house before someone calls the cops and sends me to Tanjung Rambutan. I definitely didn't get weird looks from my neighbors. Anyways, I am no MC Escher. I am not an amazing artist. I can't do amazing things like 8 heads over here by MC Escher. So this tessellation at first glance looks like there are 4 heads, and then when you turn it upside down, you see a few more. It's very, very creepy and weird. So I'm not this good, so we're gonna do a much simpler tessellation. I don't know, the animal tessellations that he makes are cool with his use of negative space and all, but they creep me out. So we're gonna do something more calming and relaxing. Leaves. We're gonna do leaves. Let's go. Now, according to the textbook, we need to use a square, but that's boring. So we're gonna use triangles. Just not this one. We're gonna cut out a triangle from here, and then we're gonna make a leaf shape out of it. I use my box cutter to cut out a triangle and then a jagged line across the center of it, and orient it so it looks like this cute little leaf. Then I use some tape to keep it in place, and then spend 1 hour transferring it onto paper. And then I highlighted it with a Sharpie pen to make it look a bit nicer. And then I proceeded to detail everything to make it actually a leaf. Then finally color it in. I started with yellow and then my ink ran out, but you know, it works, I guess. And then I colored in all the other colors until I was done. So after adding the other colors for like 5 hours, we have this leaf tessellation. So this is my Escher tessellation, and I like it because the longer you look at it and depending on your point of focus, you can either see jagged triangles, like a massive one here with multiple triangles inside of it, or if you look carefully you can see hexagons with 6 sides, straight, all across the whole plane. So yeah, that's my Escher tessellation. Now I shall go sleep. Wait a minute, isn't this just 4 Leaves by Jill Earthridge? Did you copy it? Oh. I wish my brother was here to throw a pillow in my face, but he's not. Oh well.